Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. From time to time, you end up with collections in their entirety that come to you from the family, and we're going to share a interesting group of items, toys, doorstops that are heading our way real soon. So stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Okay, of course, we got to start with the leg lamp, which just makes you smile. Christmas story all the way. And that was paired with good old-fashioned Mark's toy here. It's not Popeye. It's the Tidy Tim, Spick and Span guy. You'll notice that Mark's used the same mold. Super smart, and this one has the tools. And at the same time, they have the visual cojones to go ahead and mix it with Annie and the Dukes of Hazzard. Doodly-doo. A little bit of nostalgia for you. Bo, Luke, and Daisy Duke. And then your sort of favorite, but not, Redhead. Eclectic Collection has a Brinks truck. Pull toy, 20s. A little bit of an advertising item mixed with a Hubbly dog. That's a neat one. It's integral to the pillow. Kind of a doorstop mixed with a Popeye guitar, Popeye music player. And then way up here, not that many people know Hoppy that well, but Hoppy, Hopalong Cassidy, one of the best TV personality, radio personality guys, old style cowboy. And this is a People's Republic Bank, Morristown, Pennsylvania exclusive, which was pretty neat. So it was a giveaway for the kids. So we're adding some character with Donald Duck, looks like Pluto's on the top, and then a bunny. We've had this in clown versions. This is the rabbit version. Line Mark construction mixed with a Hubbly duck pair, a Hubbly goose pair, doorstop, and this looks righteous, quite heavy, chipping, and then Scotty's, and frankly one of my favorites. This is a really great looking cat, a lot of character, cast iron, simple, clean, and smooth. Look at that smooth casting on the toes and the expression. Next to a chicken. And the collector had some chops on fun, smile making. You know, Popeye makes most people smile. And if you say he's too grouchy, you can head over to Clownsville with a dog and a smile, or the hula hooping wind up that works. And how about a crazy Hubbly doorstop and Popeye again? Cobbler. And this cobbler really works quite well. I'm going to do my best at one hand wind. Here we go. Pretty neat. And then expressive dogs yet again. TV Bank. World's Fair style bank, but this is Chicago, Illinois, Libby's treasure ship. Libby? Fruit? Beer, that doesn't count. And an orange juice bank. And yes, the beer was turned into a bank. I'll grab this gem real quick. Super low key, but this was really gorgeous deco. Ben Franklin Thrift Bank. The small saving is a mother of thrift. Gerard, though. Gerard did these, I'd say, 27, 28, and it might have been popular enough that it carried on into the 30s. Registering for deposits. Here's another preview. Some more of the good eclectic fun stuff. Banks, Hawaii banks, Kaiser and Rex banks, Betsy Ross and J.E. Stevens Plus. Hope you enjoyed the tour of an eclectic collector, going from lunchboxes to Pinocchio to Little Red Riding Hood to Hubley to Amos and Andy to doorstops. Please keep us in mind if you've got cast iron. Doorstops are a little out of our area, but we're trying it. I think they're going to be quite fun. But traditionally, any cast iron of high quality, let us know. I'm Ed, toys at AntiqueToys.com. And keep us in mind for tin toys, antique toys, comics, and you name it. We have some fun. Have a great day. Cheers from Ed.